Oh my God, it's from me.
KSL News Radio, and as always,
3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go.
The alert system.
Here we go. Let's go. Let's go!
Stop right now. Grandma said so.
To the emergency alert system. If this is an actual emergency, official messages would have followed this alert tone.
It's 3 o'clock at KSL News Radio. Good afternoon. I'm Maria Shalea, sitting in today for Jeff Kaplan. It's sunny and 97 degrees in downtown Salt Lake City. KSL's top story this hour. We have another week of sweltering heat on the horizon. Salt Lake feels
than the east side. This is according to the city's urban forest. City's plan says in Salt Lake, lower income households